Alright my peeps, welcome back. Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today are some Spanish fritters. So I have the caramel there, the flour. You can see me have a scallion, tomato, pepper, sweet pepper, saltfish, and some garlic. We're going to add some egg powder to it. Remember, Spanish fry fritters, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe I got nice one. Please like and share. Remember. Hey guys, welcome back. The recipe for today are some Spanish fried fritters. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe I got nice man, delicious, eatable. Remember to like and share. So I'm going to add some oil to my pot, right? Yeah, it's a recipe I got nice man. Starting to wash my vegetable again. Wash them how you like it, and wash them the way you like it, right? Remember, recipe I got nice man, delicious, eatable. So I'm going to add the saltfish in the water like this. You go and stay for a little bit to see. So I'm going to cut up my vegetable. Remember, Spanish fried fritters now, so cut up vegetable then like this. I'm going to add pepper. The recipe I got nice and delicious and eatable man. Tomato. Well diced up and fine. Right? Add some garlic. Add some scallion. Recipe are eatable. Yeah my peeps. See vegetable cut up there, see saltfish there. So I'm remove all bone and scale from the saltfish. So see, yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I add a little egg powder to it, caramel and the flour. So I'm add the saltfish. I'm gonna put no salt, the saltfish alone I use. See, it look like there. Remember, Spanish. So I'm going to stir it, right? Yes, stir it like this. Combine together. So I'm going to add some water to it. Stir it well. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Spanish fry fritters. Alright, people see it, mix it out like this. So recipe I got nice and delicious man, eatable. Spanish fried fritters, remember you know. I'm going to turn it, right? Yeah. Remember, Spanish fried fritters, you know, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Recipe I got nice and delicious, man. So I'm going to remove them from the iron, right? Put them in, you see? And then go and jail. Recipe I got nice man. Stay up right there, so alright. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Like and share. So I want you to leave in the comment. Tell me if you want them Spanish fried fritters. Remember, leave it in the comment, right? You see? Yeah, one see there. It's just tastable, eatable, nice and spicy, may I tell you. Yo, this is Spanish fried fritters. Just try it and see. Please like and share. This beautiful. Yeah, my peeps can see Spanish fried fritters ready, right? Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack.